Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Mai, and I'm going to be sharing my pasta salad recipe with you today. So here goes. Basically what I'm doing now is just salting some water. Add enough water according to your package on your pasta box. Next, I'm going to be chopping one green bell pepper. I like to use green. You can use whatever color you want, but for me, I just like the taste of the green bell pepper. And I use the tricolor pasta Rotini noodles. So I just feel like that adds enough color that I can just use my bell pepper and just one green bell pepper, and that's all you need. All right, next you guys, I'm gonna be chopping about one whole yellow onion with all my little onion pieces there. And I don't think I used all of this, but Maxwell in London, they do not like a lot of onions, but I love them. And I feel like you cannot have a delicious pasta salad without onions. So use however much you want according to your family and your taste, but here it's gonna be about one yellow onion. All right, next guys, I'm gonna be slicing up some black olives. Now you can get your own olives sliced up, but I bought these whole and I just sliced them myself. I sped it up a little bit because slicing these little black olives, it was so tedious, y'all. And this is about a half a cup of sliced black olives. You can use more. I love the saltiness of the olives. So you can definitely use more, but I use about a half a cup in mine. Alright guys, next I'm going to be chopping up some grape tomatoes. I'm just going to slice them in half because I like the chunkiness of the tomato in my pasta salad. This is the whole container, so the containers that you get in the grocery store that have all the grape tomatoes in there. I pretty much use the entire thing because that's what we like. If you don't really like tomatoes, you can keep this out. Or if you don't have grape tomatoes, you can probably just use the whole tomato and chop it up. But grape tomatoes to me have this sweet taste that I love. So I always throw that in my pasta salad. And so next you want to add a block of your favorite sharp cheddar cheese. It has to be sharp because the sweetness of the onion and the sweetness of tomato, I just feel like I have to have that sharp cheddar in there. Now, like I said, you can do whatever you want because it's your pasta salad, but this is just how I make it. And so many people love my pasta salad, y'all. I'm just saying. So if you want to make it like me, chop up one block of sharp cheddar. Guys, so next I'm gonna add that tricolor Rotini to the boiling water, let that cook according to the package, And then I'm gonna go ahead and drain my pasta. There you go, draining my pasta. And what you want to do after you drain it, just let it cool down a little bit. Mine didn't cool down all the way, but that's okay. You can see that steam coming from it. But yeah, just try to cool it down a little bit. You can put it in the fridge. And here I add my Italian dressing. And I use wishbone. I have to have a wishbone Italian dressing. I've tried the Olive Garden dressing. I've tried other dressings and I can't. I have to have wishbone Italian, or the wishbone zesty Italian dressing is delicious as well. And now I just add all my ingredients to my bowl. Eventually you'll see I need me a bigger bowl. I don't know why I tried to stuff all that pasta salad in one bowl. I do this every single time and I never learn from my mistakes, y'all. And now I'm just salt and peppering to taste. I'm telling you, you do not need a lot of seasoning. I think some people mess up their pasta salad by over seasoning. Yes, I'm gonna say it, over seasoning. There's so many flavors in here. I just stick with the basics on this. And now you just toss everything up, combine everything in your small bowl. Look at me. Why am I adding cheese to this bowl, y'all? Like, there's no more space. And just mix everything in there. Alright guys, here I'm going to be adding 1 package of Hormel mini pepperoni and then stir that until combined. I like to stir a little at a time, so I'll add, I'll stir, I'll add, I'll stir, even though I need a bigger bowl, which I'm going to get in about 2 seconds. And finally, a bigger bowl. I finally got a bigger bowl. And at this point, you just want to stir all those ingredients together until well combined. And this is the time that you want to take to add more Italian dressing, add more salt and pepper to taste, and just make sure that everything is mixed in there together. Alright, beautiful people, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.